Good morning. I am Axeli Jovita, Assistant Professor, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is data, when data becomes information, what is data structure, and types of data structure. What is data? All we know about data is information, usually in numerical, that are collection through observation. In simple terms, data is the raw material that can be processed by any computer machine. Here, in our example, A, B, and C are data. When data becomes information, if data is arranged in systematic way, then it gets a structure and become meaningful information. In our example, I am having data simply a collection of characters and it has no meaning. When I, I am processing this data in reverse, I can get meaningful information. So when I am processing the data in systematic way, it gives useful information. What is data structure? A data structure is a way of organizing all data items that consider not only the elements stored but also their relationship to each other. This is the simple definition for data structure. But in computer science term, we can say data structure is or data organization, management and storage format that enables efficient access of the data. Here, the word efficient consists two major terms, which is time complexity and the space complexity. So, every data structure should consume less timing and space to access the data, so that we can say my data structure is in efficient manner. Types of data structure. Data structure can be classified into two broad categories. One is primitive data structure and another one is non-primitive data structure. Non-primitive data structure is again classified into two types, linear and non-linear. Primitive data structures are basic structures and are directly operated upon by machine instruction. Primitive data structure is divided into four categories. These primitive data structures are also called built-in data structure because these are directly operated upon by machine instruction. Non-primitive data structure are derived from the primitive data structure. The non-primitive data structures emphasize on structuring of a group of homogeneous or heterogeneous data type, which are used to store large and connected data. Non-primitive data structures are user-defined data structure, arrays, linked list, queue, tree, graph, stack are some examples of non-primitive data structure. Data structure is not a language. Simply it is a concept of set of algorithm used to structure the information. And we are implementing the algorithm using the programming language C, C++, etc.